And I'll say it again. You see what I'm doing right now?
Everyone's lining up to see it.
Good morning, guys. I'm sorry if my vlog came out really late this week, or like the second vlog for the week. I like filmed, I think, the other day, and it was just so bad. Like, I just didn't like anything that I was doing, and like the content and everything, it wasn't enough for me. And I was like, you know what, I deleted all of the clips, and I was like, I'm gonna restart in a couple of days. So I saved you guys the boring content, and I decided to film today. Last night I fell asleep around 11. Okay, let me tell you guys, I had like a problem of like staying up the other 2 nights. I was like up until like 1 a.m. or 2, and I couldn't fall asleep, and I was so like aggravated because I was like, dude, I had a really good sleep schedule going on, and I ruined it. And I was like, dude, like I need to just force myself to sleep. So last night I was like, you know, I'm putting my phone down, go to sleep, like just fall asleep, because I really need to like get my schedule back. And it worked. But I woke up at 5, like literally 5 in the morning. I fell back to sleep for like I think an hour and a half or something, and I woke up so exhausted. That's my little sleep schedule story. I don't know what it is. I don't know if anyone else is experiencing a good sleep scheduled week and then like have it ruined by like 2 nights. All right, so for today we need to do some things. Hopefully I can get it done by today. To be honest, I'm not sure. I can't believe today's Thursday. This week has been going by so fast, and I can't even like grip onto like what day it is. I think I have to get some groceries. No, I know I have to get groceries. Like, I don't want to, but I have to. I need to go to Target. I want to get a Brita. Okay, so if you guys don't know, in my household I drink different water than my other like siblings. They drink like Kirkland, like purified water, and I have to drink Zephyrhills. And I'm not even trying to be like high maintenance or anything. It's just a thing. Like, we used to have a filter in our fridge, but then we got a new fridge, and then we got another new fridge, and like now we have 2 fridges. And you guys know, Asian household, one in the back stores all the meats and everything else, and in the front it's like whatever you actually want to eat. We haven't gotten the chance to like buy the filter, so I buy my own Zephyrhills bottled waters because I just don't like the taste of Kirkland water. Like, it tastes like chemicals. Like, it tastes so bad. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. It just tastes so bad. Like, Zephyrhills, it tastes so clean, and Kirkland tastes so bad, so I can't drink their water. Not that I can't, I just choose not to, because then I would rather be dehydrated the whole day than drink that water bottle. Like, I'm not even trying to be dramatic. I don't know. Let me know if you guys taste that same taste with Kirkland water, purified Kirkland water, and then like Zephyrhills. I don't know if Zephyrhills is like pH balance like good or something. I don't know, but I like Zephyrhills. It tastes just like regular water to me. So I have to get a Brita. That's the whole story, why I'm telling you about the waters. Hi guys. Okay, so I am in the car right now. So I decided that I'm going to go to Publix, or should I just go to Target? I really like my outfit today. I tried this outfit on like without the shirt inside, and I was like, oh my god, why do I look like that? I wore it again today, and it looks a lot better. I also forgot to wear earrings. I always do this. It's okay. I think I'm gonna take pictures around 2 or 3. I need to figure out what I'm going to buy and what I'm gonna be eating, because I keep forgetting to like plan out my meals. Basically, I'm running out of things to eat. Like, what do you guys eat? What do people eat? I need help. Can you guys like let me know what's really easy to make? Because I can make salmon, but that's a lot of salmon. Like, I can only make 1 thing of salmon. I want to try to fry it, but I don't like working with like oils. I get scared. Clearly, if you guys saw my last vlog, I don't like being near oil. I honestly think I have a fear of fire, because I don't like lighting candles. Like, I have to use the long, like easy, like, you know, you guys know what I mean. Like, I don't like ovening stuff, because that's also fire. And literally when I was making salmon, I like get scared of like the heat that comes out whenever you open the oven. Honestly, like, if I think I know how to cook, I just am so scared to like mess something up and like burn my house down. I'll go to Publix, I'll get some fruit, because I really need to eat fruit, and I'll buy more spring mix salad. I swear, everyone makes fun of me of the way that I eat like salad to like spring mixes. I'm sorry, okay? It's so good. I can eat it like it's a bag of chips. I know I've said this before, and I'll say it again, like, it is so good. I want to talk to you guys. I want to put you guys on my dashboard, but there's people, so we're gonna have a really unattractive angle right here. I did the grocery run. I don't really, okay, so I got salmon.
and I think I'm gonna eat that today. And then I also got salads, and then I got my mom some stuff that she needed, and my coffee stuff. Okay, I just got out of Target. I think my mask got like all of my faux freckles off my face. Ugh. I would show you guys what I got. I did a little bit of damage, but all I can show you guys is the Brita that I got because my friend and we're doing this little like care package for each other, and I know that he watches my videos, so I don't want to like ruin or spoil like me sending it out and stuff, but I got really good stuff for that too. I'll film it when I put it together, and then by that time it should be sent out, and then you guys will be in the know of what's going on. I'm gonna go and head home because I think I spent a little bit of a time inside and I need to get my groceries in the house, so I'll see you guys whenever I get home.
It's the next day. I totally forgot to end the vlog. Yesterday I tried taking photos and I was really worried because I was scared that it wasn't gonna turn out, but they actually turned out so good. Like, if you guys don't follow my Instagram, I'll link you right here and I'll show you guys some of the photos that I took.
Woo! It's a draft. Yeah. All my friends pulled up for good vibes. We know that the good vibes could mean going to some.
Today is Friday. I have class at, I think, 12. Or the other day, I realized something and I wanted to tell you guys because I was like, I need to, not that I need to like back myself up, but I'ma back myself up. Like, I like made like a friend on internet or something, and she told me that she saw my YouTube channel, right? I shouldn't be embarrassed, you know, like shy about that. I guess people would be. It's like whenever you're recognized for something that you do and it's like they don't know what you sound like or how you act, but they only see how you act and like respond through text. I felt really not embarrassed, but I shouldn't feel embarrassed, but I had a small feeling of like that embarrassment because I'm like, the way that I carry myself on camera is not the way I carry myself in person. My energy on camera is like heightened ×2 versus if I were in, like, if you knew me in person, I'm actually not as energetic as I am on camera. It was just really like, I had a thought and I'm like, oh my god, that's so embarrassing because the way that I make myself seem and also the way I look on camera is not how I seem and look on like TikTok or Instagram. I make myself look so put together and collect and calm and cool, and on here I make myself look so bad. And like, not that like it's a bad thing, like I don't care, it's just like they would basically see how I am on camera and then off camera I'm like totally different, or at least that's what I think. I don't know, I've never asked my friends if they think I'm different. I forget sometimes that my YouTube is linked, people can see it, and I also repost a bunch of clips from vlogs just so I can like advertise and promote myself. That had nothing to do with anything. It was just a thought. I was just thinking, you know? Somebody commented on the other vlog that I am the Walmart version of Emma Chamberlain. I don't think that I am, because I would be so flattered if anybody said that I was. I just know that I am far from that. I am far from the Walmart version of 𝘂𝐻𝐵𝗎𝐺. I took it as a compliment and not as a negative like comment. And I don't know if it was meant towards as a negative comment, but I took it as a very positive thing because I freaking love 𝘂𝐻𝐵𝗎𝐺. And the fact that I got compared to her, you know how crazy that is? Like, oh my gosh. I am so sleepy. Like, I just want to shower. I look so gross and I'm sleepy. Like, I could fall asleep right now. Right after I shower, I could sleep. Hi guys. Do you see what I'm doing right now? Okay, so the other day I was on Instagram and this Instagrammer that I follow, she's an influencer and she took a morning video of her saying ice in my face, and I was like, oh my gosh, I need that. So naturally she linked it and then I bought it. It was the best. I think it was like 12 bucks. I did it this morning and I was like, wow, like my face looks like not as puffy, you know. And I just showered because my class finally ended, and oh my gosh, let me tell you guys, it was so embarrassing because I was on my phone. I wasn't paying attention and I didn't know that class had already ended. So I was just sitting there and I was on Zoom with my professor and he was literally on camera. I'm off camera, okay? So you could just see my name and his name on the side, that like we're the only two in the chat, and he's just staring at the screen. And I think he said, did I have a questions or something like that? And I guess I didn't, like, I wasn't listening. I was on my phone and it was really embarrassing. And right when I like realized that I'm the only one in this chat and everyone had left, I exited out the website. I was like, oh my gosh, that is so embarrassing. I don't know how long I was sitting there. I don't want to know how long I was sitting there because it was longer than 5 minutes. That's definitely embarrassing. If you guys are interested in this ice roller, I'll link it down below. It has another knob thingy, or like this. It's like a metal one. I think I might alternate back to that one, but I started with this one. I don't really know which one works for what. I kind of just use it. Earlier when I said that I was really tired, I think my shower took all my tiredness away because I'm not tired at all. Like, I feel fine right now. I'm waiting for Amazon to drop off one of my packages. I can show you guys what I got. Oh my gosh, like, I feel like I've been impulsively buying things, but I think it's more like retail therapy because I have nothing else to do and I think I'm stressing about the things that I shouldn't be stressing about. So whenever my package comes home, I'll show you guys. I'm so excited for next week's packages. It's like Christmas all over again. I love getting packages. Like when I don't get a package for the week, I'm like, something's wrong. Like, I know something should be coming home. I think I might end the vlog here, to be honest, guys. I'm not gonna do anything to like for the rest of the day, and I don't want to bore you guys with like very bad content. So please give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it, and if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. Look forward for maybe next week's post. I don't know if or when I'm posting that video that I'm planning on to film tomorrow, but whenever I do, make sure to have my notifications on so you guys don't miss it. And yeah, I hope you guys have a safe day, have a happy and good week. If you guys go out, wear a mask, be safe, and I'll see you guys next week with a new one. Bye.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why?